I got 1,500 in my first payout. That was last week. But this one, I don't even remember that I'm trading. So I focus my mind on what I'm doing. When I come back, the system has already done the job. So
Darlington, can you take me back to before you found 1P algorithms? Like, what was your typical week of investing or trading looking like for you?
I was doing a forex trade. So all this while I've been doing forex trade, but I came to realize that forex trade is very difficult, that it's not taking me to anywhere. So I had to start looking for options.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And was there like a specific moment that you thought to yourself, like something specifically has to change?
Yes. Actually, before I found 1P algorithm, I was in a group. It's a friend that introduced me. It's a futures trading as well. So I was with them for like 3 months, but we were doing manual trade. But you just keep buying accounts and be blowing it, buying and blowing it. But luckily to me, we reached the agreement. If I did not cash out, I'm going to get refunded. So after 3 months, I see that it's not going to get me to anywhere. So I told him that I have to work.
That's how it is. I mean, there's a lot of different trading bots, different gurus out there. And when you came to 1P algorithms, was there anything that made you skeptical?
At first it was, but after the first month, though, I haven't gotten my payment yet, but I can see the progress there, despite the ups and downs. But still, I believe that there is a big difference from the one I was doing. And I told myself I had to keep doing it, and maybe someday it's going to work. And now, 2 months plus, I already had my first payout.
Perfect.
Yeah.
What specifically would you say made this one feel different than the rest? Yeah,
this one is actually different because you are not doing it yourself. Maybe 10 or 20 minutes to set it up. You don't do that much. So you just set it up and leave it, and the AI is doing the rest for you.
Absolutely.
And the result is amazing, honestly.
That's good to hear. Yeah. And was there something that finally triggered for you to say, okay, let me actually join, let me finally experience this for myself?
I've been seeing ads on Facebook, and each time I see the ads, they work for you while you are asleep, that you don't have to do much. I was like, wow, could this be true or something? I had to jump in. I sent a request. You told me the same thing, gave me all the assurance that it's actually what I see. That's how it is. So that's what motivated me. I said, okay, if that is the case, let me give it a try.
Absolutely. And what was your first week using the algorithms? How was everything getting set up, learning about the process, learning about the algorithms, and the whole general onboarding?
The first week was a whole lot of learning and all that, but I got support from one of the representatives, and they made it easy for me. So after the first week, and then some part of second week, I took it from there. It wasn't that difficult. They made it easy for me.
Awesome. And then was there a moment for you where you're like, okay, after the first few weeks, where you were like, okay, this is actually like the real deal. Like, this is exactly what he said it's going to be.
Yeah, that happens after close to 1 month. I was kind of skeptical on the second week or third week there. But when the month ends, I say, you know what, the result overall is not that bad, that let me keep doing it, that I believe this will work. So when I concluded the first month, I was already, kind of convinced overall.
Absolutely. Yeah. And was there anything that surprised you about the whole setup, about being a member?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing at all, yeah.
Okay. And what has changed for you now that you've started using automation in your life? Well,
I can have a peace of mind. No more putting my emotions on the chart. Sometimes when I'm at work, I will be like, I have to go for a New York trading time. I have to be at home to trade and all that. But this one, I don't even remember that I'm trading. So I focus my mind on what I'm doing. When I come back, the system has already done the job. So I don't really need to bother myself about trading or something.
Absolutely. What kind of results have you been seeing now that you've been using the algorithms?
Overall, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. recently. More than when I started. Right now, it's even getting better by the day, I mean. So every day by day is getting better.
Awesome. And then have you been able to get payouts? And if so, how many payouts have you gotten and how much?
I have 3 accounts now that I'm building up. I've gotten 1 payout from 1 account, and it's still building. And I got 1,500 in my first payout. That was last week.
Phenomenal. And beyond the numbers, like, how would you say your relationship with trading now has changed?
Yeah, like I said, the worst thing that can happen to you is like putting all the efforts, trying to study the charts, and you're not getting the results you desire at the end. My approach to trading, like, I don't even feel like it looks like I'm playing. It looks like I'm just playing a game chess, you know. He's just doing it. Is this real or something? You know, he's just doing the work and it looks easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it just looks like I'm playing, like I'm not even doing something serious. So because the system is already doing the job for you.
And you just get paid at the end of it.
Yes.
And what would you say you can do now that you couldn't do before?
Right now, in the whole system entirely, initially, I used to call for help, you know, require assistance and all that. But right now, I'm comfortable. I can do a whole lot of things by myself. And I can even assist another person. Yeah. So the whole thing, I'm very much comfortable and familiar with the whole system right now.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Very good to hear.
Yes.
And who would you say, like, 1P algorithms, or who do you think 1P algorithms is genuinely a good fit for?
It can be fit for anybody out there. It doesn't matter if you're a man or woman. It can actually work for anybody.
No, I definitely understand that. Is there anyone who you would say it's not a good fit for?
No, it should be a good fit for anybody, like I said, because basically you are not doing a hard job there, you know, no emotion attached, you know, the system is there working for you. The overall results really worth it.
If, you know, you were talking to someone who was sitting in your exact position a few months ago before you joined 1P algorithms, who was still on the fence, what would you tell them?
I encourage the person to keep doing it.
Okay.
I encourage the person to keep doing it. It's definitely worth it. Trust me, worth it. Yeah.
Sweet. And then is there anything else you'd like to add?
If you are skeptical, maybe you stumble on it and you're still thinking it's something that doesn't work, I can assure you it works. It definitely works. So the best part, you don't have to be thinking about how to set up your charts and all that. The system is already there set up for you.
Plug and play.
It's amazing. It's working.
For sure, man. Yeah. Thank you so much for your testimonial, eBay. And wishing you a lot more payouts in the future.
Thank you so much.